How to animate in Blender. First of all, open Blender and create or import a 3D model you want to animate. Next, go to the timeline at the bottom to set your starting frame. Move the playhead to frame 1 and select the object you want to animate. Then, insert a keyframe by pressing the I key and choosing the property you want to animate, like location, rotation, or scale. After that, move the playhead to another frame where you want to change the object's position or rotation. Adjust the object in the 3D view, then insert another keyframe by pressing I again. Blender will automatically create the animation between these keyframes. You can preview your animation by pressing the play button in the timeline. If you want to add more complex movements, use the graph editor to adjust the curves and timing of your animation for smoother results. Finally, when you are happy with your animation, you can render it by going to the render settings and selecting the output format. Then, press the render animation button to create your animated video. And that's it. Now you know how to animate in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.